Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you detailed reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the best graduation gown cookie cutter available, the Ann Clark Graduation Gown Cookie Cutter. Stick around as we explore its features, craftsmanship, and everything you need to know before making a purchase. The Ann Clark Graduation Gown Cookie Cutter is not just any cookie cutter. It's a celebration in itself. Crafted in the USA by Ann Clark Limited, a family-owned business with over 30 years of experience. This cookie cutter is made from certified food-safe American steel. Its dimensions measure 4 inches in length, 3.5 inches in width, and 1 inch in height. Perfect for creating beautifully detailed cookies that are sure to impress at any graduation party. What sets this cookie cutter apart is its quality and attention to detail. Designed specifically for graduation-themed cookies, it allows you to bake treats that resemble graduation gowns effortlessly. The steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning. Just remember to hand wash it. Ann Clark doesn't just stop at the cutter. They offer inspiration with sugar cookie and icing recipes, plus decorating tips available on their Amazon store. Whether you're celebrating a high school graduation, college commencement, or any academic achievement, this cookie cutter adds a personal touch to your festivities. Ann Clark stands out as America's largest maker of cookie cutters, known for their professional-grade baking tools and supplies. Their commitment to quality and safety is evident in each product they create. Plus, supporting Ann Clark means supporting a small business that values craftsmanship and creativity. In conclusion, if you're looking to add a personal touch to your next graduation celebration or surprise someone special with themed cookies, the Ann Clark Graduation Gown Cookie Cutter is your go-to choice. Its quality, design, and the reputation of Ann Clark ensure that you're getting a product that not only meets but exceeds expectations. That wraps up our review of the Ann Clark Graduation Gown Cookie Cutter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions below. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.